Evo Max Series Introduction to the Interface. Enter the main interface of the Enterprise app. By default, the app will utilize the standard 3-screen layout. The left side contains the map, the right has both zoom and infrared pages, and the upper section displays notifications and shortcuts. On the right, you will find the camera functions and the altitude ball. Swipe up and down on the zoom and infrared pages to hide or show interface elements. The status bar gives you the latest aircraft info. This includes flight mode, status, and warnings, memory card status, remote control power and signal, aircraft satellite signal and remaining power, OA settings, as well as system settings. On the toolbar, click More to show more shortcut functions. Click the Edit icon and hold to drag the functions you use more often to the toolbar, allowing for quick access in your next flight. You can use aux light to turn off or on the aircraft's auxiliary light. Click Laser to automatically measure the distance and altitude from the aircraft to the target point on the screen. To capture the current screen, you can click Screenshot, and to record it, click the Record button. With the brightness feature, drag left and right to set the camera brightness as the situation requires. Click the Defog button to enhance the image clarity under the zoom page. In a dark environment, use the Night Mode button for clearer photos and videos. Also, click the Strobe button to turn on lights during night flights for better positioning and warning. The Recog button helps you recognize humans, cars, and boats. Waypoint customize the route on the map. And Missions manage historical route missions. As for camera functions, the buttons, from bottom to top, are Settings, Photo Taking, Video Taking, and Album. Watch video tutorials to learn more about camera settings. The attitude ball is located in the bottom right corner of the screen and mainly displays key information about the aircraft, such as the home point location, controller heading and position, aircraft horizontal distance and altitude, estimated flight time, and aircraft power. Tilting of the attitude ball can tell the aircraft's bank angle. Thanks for watching.